I co-founded WOB with Ruth way back when, both here and in the UK, and have taken a very long-term interest in women in leadership roles. I sit on 2 boards. I sit on, of course, the group Women on boards, but also I sit on 2 other organisations, one of which is a community housing provider and on the Central Coast. And in fact, I've just got off from a really interesting community housing conference, in fact, which has been online. And so some really great and innovative things going on there. So it's been quite uplifting, actually, to hear about the good things going on there. I'm also the chair president of the Central Coast Conservatorium of Music. My background was in journalism. I'm a great generalist, but you'll see a lot of me during the course. The other person you'll see a lot of is Sheena. So Sheena, I might get you to introduce yourself as well.
I'm Sheena Wilson, and for the past 8 years, I have worked in a portfolio capacity as a non-executive director, management consultant, and executive and board coach. And in terms of my background, my executive career involved a combination of senior HR general management roles, including 2 country head or CEO positions, operations management and management consulting. Much of that was working internationally in the USA, UK, Europe, New Zealand and Asia. I was 12 years with the Bank of New York Mellon, including 3 years as CEO for BNY Mellon, and that was followed by 5 years at BNY Mellon as Global Head of Talent Strategy. And in a portfolio capacity, I am Deputy Chair of Australia's largest homegrown independent property valuation firm, amongst other things. And I consult and coach in a range of organisations in the private sector, NGO, NFP and higher education.
Kishina. Ruth, do you want to introduce yourself? You'll see Ruth a few times, particularly in the boards modules.
Yes, hi everybody. I'm Ruth Med, the Executive Chair of Women on Boards. I'm also the chairman of a number of other companies. You can find out about me on my LinkedIn profile and discover I'm a wine drinking bike rider. As Claire said, you'll see me in the board modules of this program.
So that's pretty fantastic. And there are 3 other people there who are regulars on the program: Catherine Brown, Mariette Roops Donnelly and Gillian McPhee.